Here's a few things you should teach your dog to do on your spare time. You may find it fun and amusing, but let me tell you, it's a rush that you won't forget. And you never know, you just might need it in the real world.
Let's get it. Make money, make money, let's make it. Let's take it. You know it. Yo, build me a bakery, then bake me a cake. And yeah, it's my birthday. Every day I want cake. Make no mistake, put a red dot on your face. Wrong move, trigger finger, blow an eye to your face. Pretty boy, gut it out with a pretty nice flow. Hit quick, hard like Roy with a pretty nice blow. Out for green, dead guys, and all the shake on the plate. Ain't no profit from the hustle till investments made. Let's get it, dog, it's nothing. Make boxing yachts, Swiss beats, hip hop story, go copy this hot. Yo, kids, we hate a proof, dog, cream of the crop. We make money, take money, whether you like it or not. Come on. Make money, make money. Take money, take money. You got cash, right? You got stash, right? Show the ass, right? Let's get it on. Make money, make money. Take money. You got cash, right? You got stash, right? Show the ass, right? Yo, I don't got time to be up here lying to you. Just make sure y'all niggas feel what we trying to do. If I fuck up, then it's on me. Besides that, it is what it is, and that's what it's just gonna be. Blowing my purple, wish you would go on my circle. If you know my record is clean, you know I'ma murk you. I live like a warrior do, without screaming true story. Niggas know my story is true. The cribs, the cars, the jury, spots I got, the money that passed my hand, and the rocks I chop, the ammo, the artillery, the knives I bought. Waking up sore the next day from fights I fought in the hood, cause I fuck with the thugs, trying to figure out why the money never added up to the love. Gun in my waist, Dutch in my hand. Now I don't do a lot of talking, I listen as much as I can, that's why. Make money, make money. Take money, take money. You got cash, right? You got stash, right? Show the ass, right? Let's get it right. Make money, make money. Take money, take money. You got cash, right? You got stash, right? Show the ass, right? Let's get it right. Keeping it crumb from LA to NY. My life is a movie, digital high five. Why? Test the player when you know I got skills. Why? Question the player when you know I keep it real. The cap sit low, cap slightly to the right. 5 cameras each ear with the we on 1 gear. One's all white, rap rocks, top gun with the Dallas math jerks, repping number 31 squad is nice. Dog, my spitters stay loaded, bankroll, stay fat, man, it's hard for me to fold it. The stay current, the juice stay polished, stay family overall, stay a Midwest rider. Make money.
You may not understand this video, but I just posted it because it's a realistic thing of what we do. And as professional dog trainers, and there's many of us out there, and I could go on and tell you about them. But this is just a little bit of stuff that I do with my dogs on a daily basis just to keep them entertained. And this was all training and fun. Nobody got hurt, everybody went home to their families. But in the case that I ever need to use my dogs in a real life scenario, at least I know that I'm ready. Are you ready?